men get divorced legally and formally. So many men gets trouble, they get divorced religiously or orally, personally they get divorced, but such divorce may accepted by the religious authority but may not accept as a valid proof of evidence in the governing body or judicial body. So what happened, many men gets divorced religiously or ritually. They may get divorced mutually or religiously, but they never executed or they never register such divorce or gets order from the court. So therefore they get trouble. For example, if they go to the bank, and if husband and wife has a joint account, and after getting divorced in stamp paper or orally, they go to bank and ask for the bank authority to remove her name from the joint account. In that situation, banks usually ask for the valid legal documents, or if you can't show them the valid legal documents, court may not remove the name of your wife from the joint account, because without consent it is illegal to remove her name. Similarly, for remarrying, for various authority passport or anything like that, to remove such name, it gets difficult. If you want to get remarry, your wife may file a suit or case against you because you didn't legally dissolve your previous marriage. So in that situation, what we can do, so we have two process. One is we get divorced mutually, and other is we get divorce from the court, or status of a marriage from the court. So when we get divorced mutually, it's very simple, and it's it's a easier method. What we do, we make a divorce deed. In the divorce deed, husband and wife with the two attesting witness, they sign on the divorce deed, and after that they register such deed in registration act 1908. If you didn't register such deed in registration act 1908, the valid status of your, the legal status of your divorce still not obtained. So you have to register such mutual divorce in the registration act 1908. And there is another method. If husband wants divorce but wife doesn't want divorce, in that situation, what you can do, in such situation you can do that, you can nowadays it's very difficult to get divorce in the contested divorce. So what happened, the talaki biddat, so biddat is now unconstitutional by the amending the Muslim Women Protection Act 2019. They abolished the triple talak, instant triple talak. This is called talaki biddat, is unconstitutional, at it's an offense nowadays. And if you do such kind of thing, if you give talaki biddat, that you may penalized by the penal code of the India. So what we left a talaki hasan. We can give talaki hasan. Talaki hasan is a step where we follow a certain step, then we give talaki hasan. But talaki hasan still under the judicial review of the Supreme Court, and it may evolve in the near future. So when we give talaki hasan, we give single talak, then we wait for 3 iddat period, that is 3 menstruation cycle. And within that period we don't get physical with the wife, then we give second talak. Then we also wait for a iddat period, then we pronounce third talak. Then after that we where our talaki hasan is completed, now it is irrevocable. So after that we go to the court under section 7 of the family court, read with the section 34 of the specific relief act, and we file a case for the status of marriage in the family court. In that way we can get the divorce decree or divorce certificate. In some cases or in some areas, religious authorities also give the certificate of divorce, but it may not accepted everywhere. So the correct and best method in contested divorce to get the status of a divorce, to file case in the family court, that is established by the government body of the India. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.